Now we will discuss what is most important in our life. Quite a tricky question, isn't it? But not so if you know astrology. Many people think that the Lord of the Ascendant is the most important in our life. Many people will think that it is the strongest planet in the chart, and many people will think, and many of the astrologers will consider the planet that is of most importance in our life, such as the Lord of the ninth house, the Lord of the 11th house, the Lord of the 10th house, or the Lord of the third house, or the fifth house. But have you ever imagined that how it can be possible that some of your life forces or some of your interests about life, like if you want um, to marry a beautiful and a faithful woman in your life, then that could be the most important thing in your life. Many person may think that they should be good in material terms, and that is the first thing of importance in their life. So there it can be anything according to the person, and it can be many things according to some person. Like somebody may be thinking that he should be of um, full of power, authority, fame. That fame denotes his life more than anything else, or power will rule his life anything more than else. So for those people, like those who are in politics, or like those people, those who are film star or sportsmen, for them fame is the prime importance thing in their life. So it is very difficult to know what is the prime importance in our life, but through astrology we can find out the answer. So what you have to check is the most important uh, planet in the horoscope. The most important planet, it may not be your ascendant, Lord of ninth house. It may not be Lord of the 11th house, or it may not be any benefic planet even. It may not be the most powerful planet in the horoscope by strength of Sadbala. That is, Sadbala is the type of strength, the total strength that a planet have, including all types of strength. Then how do we decide the most dominant planet in our horoscope? Dominance of the planet is to be checked. That is the most important planet in our horoscope. So we have seen that a planet can be in a range from strong to weak, and in a range from positive to negative. There is also more dimension to consider: how dominant or influential is the planet in the chart? Which planet will influence the person's life most? We partly answered this question in the discussion about strength. The planet with the strongest Sadbala will exert the strongest influence. The catch is, where does the influence go? Suppose we have 9 countries which is represented by 9 planets, and one of the president may be the strongest. But what if he is away from the office? We may feel the influence of another less strong president more. So we will discuss about it more in detail in my next video. So just stay tuned to me and watch me.